Are you going to come and get?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Ella. I'm watching Briggs. He's trying to crawl. Are you going to? Briggs, are you going to come and get it? Come on, buddy. Come on. You can do it. Oh, come on. Are you tired? Oh. Do it. What do you tell him, Ella? Say, go, go, go. Come on, Briggsy. Where's Mama's hand? Oh, we're up. We got our feet under us. You go. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Oh, that's a sad face. You want that baby so bad. Oh, there you go. I bet if you reach, you can get it. I bet if you reach, you can get that baby. You're doing good. Yummy, look close. Oh, yay, Briggs! Yay! Yippee! Oh, oh, there we go. Ella, can you tell Briggs good job? Good job, Briggs. Good job. You got that foot out there like you're going to get a second wind across. Oh, oh, oh. You going to do it? Are you going to try and crawl?